I'm back once again on March 27th at Prairie Playland at Traders Village. Try to say that 3 times fast. And this is the Prairie Screamer roller coaster, formerly the Scandia Screamer, at Scandia Amusement Park, Ontario, California. Traders Village has purchased it, stripped all the paint, inspected it, repainted it a beautiful white and green, and it is going up quickly now. Track is being put in place. Last week, it's been a week since I've been here, the second drop right there was complete all the way to the bottom. In a week, they've installed the rise into the third turn. That's the third turn. And drop number 3, which is the drop furthest away from the view. The rise up into the 4th turn. And that's where it stops. 1 week worth of work. This coaster had and will have amazing airtime, very intense laterals, and I am excited. Let's get a little bit closer. I want to show you the brake run. They parked this big crane in the way. Not really. So the brake run, as far as they've gotten, starts there and goes into the station, of course. That's a big crane. And another airplane. I'm a pilot, so I'm always looking skyward when an airplane flies overhead. Let me show you the other half of the brake run. Oh, they got so much stuff in my way this week. There it is, the straight track, of course. I'm just walking around, killing time during my walk. That's turn number 4. Well, half of it. Another turn will be installed on those horizontal supports. Look how tight that turn is. There's a video by Canopy Coaster on the Scandia Screamer and Traders Village saving the Prairie Screamer. I'll link that video in the description. He describes really well how awesome this ride it was in California. And so it's going to be at least that good here. Here's the brake run. Sorry, there was a Cessna taking off. I'm sorry, I'm distracted by airplanes all the time. We're right next to Grand Prairie Municipal Airport. Anyway, that's the brake run. You can see the fin brakes, the bottom of the first drop, and the third drop. Third drop rises up into this turn. Everything stops there for now. Anyway, I can't think of anything else to say. Let's see if they've got the motor installed yet. Sorry, this video is kind of jerky and I'm not real good with words sometimes. I showed this to y'all last week, but there's the gearbox that receives the chain. The electric motor has not been yet installed. You can see the track being laid out on the ground for installation this coming week. And the lookout tower. All right, that's it for now. Bye.